The PhaseMagic 18 kilowatt phase converter is an absolute game changer. It converts 220 volts household electricity into three-phase electricity instantly. Here is the single-phase input, and here is the three-phase output. It includes a trip switch for both the single-phase and the three-phase. And once you switch the three-phase on, and then switch a three-phase machine on, the amperage meter shows you how many amps the three-phase is pulling. And this means that you can now run industrial three-phase machinery in the comfort of your own home. Now that's magic. It's PhaseMagic. Just call sales for more information.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.